working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your
like chocolate to la coco. Make she follow me go and fly away.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new, please do not forget to hit the red subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll know each time I come on. Today is going to be a wig install of a unit from UNICE hair. Okay, this is a wear and go unit, so the install should not take that long. I think the longest it's probably going to take is the styling portion of it. So I want to go ahead and give you some details about this wig before I go ahead and get started. Okay, so I want to first thank UNICE Hair on Amazon for sending me this unit to review on my channel. It is a wear and go unit, 24 inches, pre-cut, 6 by 4.5 lace body wave wig. Alright, so it's glueless. It's definitely human hair. It has a pre-plucked breathable cap, pre-plucked hairline. It has a breathable cap, and it's for beginners. Now the density is about 150. Okay, so that's kind of like a low density. Usually wigs like this are about 180 or up. This is at a 150, so I'm expecting it to be thin. So those are the details of this wig. I'm going to leave the link to purchase down below. If you have any questions, leave that down below as well. Okay, so I'm coming on first without my makeup or anything done. I usually do my makeup first before I do my hair, but I decided just to switch it up a little bit and do my hair first and then my makeup. So I'm going to, of course, come back to show you the final look with everything together. So of course it comes with the hair, the unit, a cute bag. This is the cutest bag ever. It comes with lashes that I'm probably not going to wear, a wig cap, and a elastic band to lay your edges. Let's get into the unit. It comes with an elastic band to ensure that it is glueless. It comes with this plastic breathable, the back of the wig where you would adjust the straps. There's no adjustable straps here. It comes with this plastic, I don't know if you guys can see it. And I like this because this is my second wear and go wig. The first one was the curly unit, and it also came with this. I have 3 total to review. Actually, it's going to be 4 wear and go wigs to review. This is my second one. This particular plastic at the back where the adjustable straps would be, and this sits flat on the back of your head. It's extremely comfortable. So I'm assuming that this is going to be the same way. As you can see, it is already pre-plucked. Alright. It's not bleached, so I'm going to add foundation powder to it. It's 24 inches. And I love it because it's a closure. It has these combs at the sides to ensure that it's more glueless.
just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been
Okay, so I'm done curling my hair. I don't know how this is gonna look. I always put my hair up like this, you guys, especially when it's time for me to do my makeup. I don't think I'm gonna do anything too heavy today, but I'm going to come back and I'll show you the final look. I really have to hurry up, you guys. I'm running late. It is 11:15 and I was supposed to be at this place by 11 o'clock and I still have a stop to make. I don't know if I'm gonna make it.
Mom and dad's only daughter, do I make